And we're back again.
And speaking of upping the dual Vipers, we're about to do a grind rail mission when you can only use the dual Vipers.
It'll
the ground rail.
It'll be fun.
Let's go.
That was really, really well done. And go. Ow. He turned the start button off while we were in between, so they had started firing.
My controller wouldn't turn on. It's wireless.
You know, I would care if you weren't an idiot.
I'm not an idiot. Just misunderstood.
AKA idiot.
Hey, I did that pretty well. The hollow shield and us not getting shot.
You mean like I was when you turned the start button off for that 1 second?
Hey, that was your fault, not mine. I told you to react.
I also got nailed. Therefore, I blame you. And grind rail. Here we go. Jump, and you only have the dual Vipers. Always jump to another rail. Always.
Usually.
Okay. If it's a new rail, you want to go to it.
Can't think of any rails in this game where you don't want to jump to it if it's new.
That's different in the other games. Shoot, I hate getting these. Jumping is a valid method of dodging.
Oh, there's one for the highlight reel.
Snipers are the pains that you will come to hate. Because they're, as much as it didn't look like it, they're very good at hitting you. Whoa, that was fun. And we got more.
No,
Snipers.
actually, that wasn't fun.
And jump, hypershoot, hypershoot. Land, keep going.
Not too complicated. And we're done.
This part is done. There are many grind rails here, though.
It's kind of annoying.
The action's heating up as Team Darkstar lights up the spotlights that will unlock the Dark Cathedral of Kronos. A treacherous path lies ahead as Dread Zone's deadliest warriors will be waiting to ambush them. Oh, baby, I love this job.
If this is the best they have, they need to get back into the market. Fusion rifle, get it. One of my 3 best weapons.
Hold it.
Thank you. Let's go.
Are a good long-range weapon which can be zoomed in to accurately shoot enemies from far away. Try using the fusion rifle to destroy those enemies.
What enemies? I'm not using it on these guys. I will, however, use it up here. You hit L2, and then the left analog stick up to zoom in, and then you fire with O. Get my target. 1 down. 2 down. 3 down. Yeah, that did hurt. But it almost leveled, so... It's also a very, very, very powerful weapon. That was a very bad use of it, though. Don't do that. Sniper problems. Great. And me out of fusion rifle. I hate finding snipers when I can't snipe them back.
It is something of a problem, isn't it?
Aha. We're done. Go.
And there goes the dual viper.
One thing about Ratchet, you give him any lip and he'll feed you a lead sandwich. You better believe that, Juanita.
Take away my job, why don't you?
That's kind of an idea.
Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. That was a little nuts. And another part done.
Now we get to kill him, right?
No, I think we have to fight him again and then we kill him later.
Sigh.
Yeah, we get to fight him again and we kill him again later.
That cathedral was easy. I did? Well, that was then and this is now, huh? Team Darkstar will have to fight their way through a series of increasingly deadly arenas. Bet they didn't see that coming.
Except we've done it before. Freeze mod's next on our shopping list. Unless another weapon shows up.
It's
Like the flail.
Oh yeah, he's back. You know what they say about these Omega Series warbots. Takes a licking, keeps on kicking butt.
He does a shockwave now.
As you know, Shell Shock's brain was destroyed.
And the bouncer.
And he shoots a whole bunch of these little mines that try and seek you.
Replaced with an AI chip taken from a coffee machine. As a result, he is totally impervious.
And he'll actually shoot you. Not well, but he will.
He shot me before.
Fantastic cappuccino.
I want my brain replaced by the AI chip coffee machine.
Fusion Rifle V2. And out of ammo. I think. No, it has 4 shots. It lies. Wow.
Not hard.
That was the hardest challenge.
Team Darkstar is on the final stretch. This road leads right to the gates of the Dark Cathedral of Kronos, but it's chock full of twists, turns, and baddies that'll make your mother weep. Let's go to the action.